To access your class score sheet, click Assignments. You will see all the assignments for your class. Then select the assignment you would like to enter scores for. You will then see all of the students in your class. You will select the More Options menu by clicking on the three dots and then click Class Score Sheet. You will be redirected to a detailed instruction page. Be sure to read the instructions carefully before proceeding. Next, you will download the Scoresheet file. This file will contain the list of all students in your class and the questions for this assignment. Each question will also show you the available points for that question. You may enter the points for each question. Be sure not to leave any blanks. If a student has not earned any points for that question, you may enter 0. When you have finished entering all scores, save the score sheet. You will then be redirected back to the instructions page. You will click on Choose File and then select the file you saved. Please note that if there are any errors in your document, the system will give you a notification. You will then be able to return to your score sheet, fix the errors, and then upload the document again. Once you have uploaded the complete spreadsheet without any errors, click Confirm. You will then be redirected back to the assignment where you will see the scores for each student.